I'm at the Brown Bird and Squirrel Sanctuary.
Yeah.
Gary Brown's Bird and Squirrel Sanctuary. We got squirrels there. I don't know where the woodpeckers went, but there's a couple of squirrels coming down. There goes a woodpecker in the yard. I don't know if you guys can see him. He's right there.
See how they fight one another? Look, there's 4, 5 squirrels.
There's the squirrels.
Right
Let's get the. Here's all the squirrels on the tree. We got
1, 2, 3 right
three
there.
there.
4
Four
right
squirrels on the tree. Oh, a dove just came down and landed on the ground.
There's another
She's
squirrel
over there.
up there.
There's the dove. She's wandering around.
Up here tripping. There's blue jay.
We got the woodpeckers up there. You probably can't see them with the view. There goes the blue jay.
Because if I move this car, they'd come down more.
There's the blue jay up there. He's hiding behind that branch, but he'll be down in a minute. And the woodpecker just flew over there again.
You ever see a fox squirrel?
No.
You never seen a fox squirrel?
No. I don't think I have.
Down in Fishhawk. There's one down there in Fishhawk at the park at Fishhawk. And then I seen another one.
There's the blue jay.
We know what? What did I just say? A
fox squirrel.
Fox squirrel. It's a squirrel, but it's a big squirrel. It's got a big body and it's got a big long tail on it. They call it a fox squirrel. And then you know what? I've seen two squirrels.
One of the squirrels.
They were.
There's the other squirrel.
Albinos.
There's another
two
squirrel
albino squirrels. They were white.
Behind the grill. The cardinals were over here, but then they flew in that tree over there, and I think they're afraid of the squirrels, so they're gonna wait till the squirrels leave. There's the dove.
I need to put more water in my bird nest out there, where they get the water in there.
They're all coming for their peanuts.
Oh yeah, I guess I could move that car right now. Let me move this damn car.
No, you're gonna freak them all out if you do that.
Yeah, they'll come down. They'll shit.
Well, you know better. It's your sanctuary.
There's Gary.
There's Gary and his bird sanctuary. Bird and squirrel sanctuary.
You've never seen a fox squirrel?
You'll
freak out. We see one. I've seen two albino squirrels. They're white. There's albino squirrel, no shit. And those are a rarity too. Yeah, check it out. You got the internet right there. Check fox squirrel, and it'll show a picture of a fox squirrel.
I'll have to check it out.
When I was in the Army, I was in Georgia. When I was growing up as a kid, you know what a chipmunk is. You ever seen a chipmunk?
I never seen one in person, but on TV.
Florida don't have chipmunks.
Yeah.
But I was in Georgia, and outside the barracks, the old wooden barracks, they was running around all over the place, chipmunks all over the place. So you know what dumb Gary did? Dumb Gary caught one.
Oh yeah.
Guess what the chipmunk?
What?
He nailed me real fucking good. I said, you know what? That's the last chipmunk I'll ever. That's just like these squirrels. You grab all one of the squirrels, you'll fucking.
They'll take your peanut off.
Yeah, I caught that little bastard because I said, I remember when I was a kid, you know, up in Pennsylvania, the chipmunks were all over the fucking place. And I was in Georgia, and they were running around. I said, good old memories. I caught that little bastard. He nailed down on me, brother. I said, no, I ain't gonna catch no more fucking chipmunks.
Hey, let me ask you this. Can we make a quick run for the lot and back?
Yeah, I
Drop some of
guess.
this shit off?
Yeah.
You ain't gonna get bothered with any calls or whatnot?
I haven't had many today. A few, but not many. But I mean, if I get a call, I get a call. It is what it is.
Alright, because I got, like, my dad's loading me up with all kinds of shit, so I can just...
Yeah, just put it in the back of the car. I got a bin in the back. You can just put it all in there.
I got fucking
with the tools
shit
and stuff.
everywhere.
Well, I was hoping to catch the Cardinals on video, but I guess they got spooked and didn't want to come back. I only got one of the woodpeckers on video before they got spooked and didn't come back. I got one of the doves, but this guy over here on the fence, he's a real loner.
Look at that.
Yeah, that one over there,
1, 2,
this guy, and let's see, that guy. They like to be on the fence. This little creepy crawly right here, he likes to come out and get his own nuts.
He ain't scared.
He ain't scared.
He likes Gary.
Yeah, he's like, Gary's my dude. Be bringing him nuts. And then you got Buddy up here. He's all trying to be bashful and shy. We see you, pal. We see you, Squirrely.
He's looking at you.
He's like, I don't know about the new guy, Gary. He's got this thing he keeps holding in his hand. And then here comes
He's hungry enough. He'll
this
come
little
down.
buckaroo. I heard a bird. Where'd it land?
I do like this. I do like that now. I'll come. They hear that?
There's old timer.
There's old timer.
Yeah, there's one out here that comes breakfast, lunch, and dinner. He comes over here. I said, "Are you again?"
He just gave up on his whole squirrel hunting deal and just started living off of you.
Yeah, he'll come out here in the morning, and then like noontime, there he is again. And but when they start hiding them, then I quit throwing the peanuts out there.
They're trying to grow their own peanuts. That's it.
Yeah.
They ain't doing
Here.
that.
They're trying to
That's
plant
all
them.
y'all getting. You ain't getting no more right now. God
Alright,
damn.
hey, look, I'm making a quick run to the yard.
What for?
I gotta drop some of this shit off.
Oh, okay.
Vern's coming to pick me up later, but he says he got time, so
Yeah.
I just gotta get. I got a lot of shit.
Take that Mountain Dew in the refrigerator, because
I've been buying
you'll
soda.
leave that Mountain Dew in there, then I'll have to drink it.
Drink it with gin.
I'm not drinking gin and Mountain Dew
Why? What the fuck is the problem with that?
because I like my grapefruit juice.
Hey, Fruity, look at this TV, dog. This bitch is fucking gangster.
Alright, hold on. I'm still shooting my National Geographic video.
Now, if we had the turtle out here, you could.
I know.
The other day, I buy a newspaper. This is a couple weeks ago over there in Tampa. There was a $3,000 reward.
Oh, for that big tortoise.
No, this was a African gray.
Right, and it was a big one, right? Somebody stole
African
it?
gray was a bird.
Oh, the bird. Yeah,
The
okay.
African gray parrot.
Oh,
There
okay.
was a $3,000 reward
Oh.
in Tampa for the summer.
Oh, I would have been on the hunt for that bird.
Yeah, that's. If I was in Tampa, I'd be looking too. I every once in a while you might see a parrot or a parakeet. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, my mom caught a parakeet and made it her pet for a
Oh
while.
yeah.
Yeah. She caught
Parakeets
it.
are neat, man. They're neat. You still got to clean the cage.
Still gotta clean it.
You can train them pretty good. Here's a blue jay.
Where'd he
said,
go?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Where's the blue jay?
See him?
Where?
Right there on that limb right there. See him? Right there.
I can't.
Boy, you need glasses.
I
Right there on that dead limb right there. In this
Oh yeah,
tree.
yeah. All right, there we
See
go.
him?
Yeah. Let's see if I can zoom in on him.
He wants to come down and get one of them fucking peanuts.
There's a blue jay. We didn't get the cardinal on video,
He'll come down and get one.
but we got the blue jay, we got the dove, and we got the squirrels. The turtle's long gone, but we got all the other sanctuary, Gary Brown sanctuary animals on video. Alright, well that's the end of this video because I got shit to do besides videotape squirrels, so hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.